Hey everybody, Troy here with Cemanco, and I just wanted to do a short video. As you can see from the photo, I got a really rough KMK in the other day, and I'm not going to go into great detail on what it took to get this guy running again. I just wanted to show you all out there how badly you can beat one of these up, and we can still fix it for you. You can see here in the photo that this guy needed a lot. The parts on the left are all the ones I cleaned up and put back in the unit, and the parts on the right are all the ones I had to replace because they were broken, worn out, or rusty. What you can't see in the photo is that there were also a few parts missing that needed replacing. Even as much as this box needed, it still came out cheaper than buying a new one. So some of you might have a situation where you have a machine you need for an order you've got, and you're thinking, I got this 8-year-old KMK on this machine, I beat the snot out of it, it looks like crap, and it doesn't work anymore. I'm going to have to replace it, but I just can't work it into the budget, so I'm going to have to find an alternative. No. Call me. I'm here. Tell me what's going on with it. And as for the age thing, this particular box only had 3 digits in the serial number. The boxes we sell today have 6 digits in their serial number, so this guy's at least 10 years old. Also, even if you have an emergency, this particular customer didn't request it, but as rough as this box was, I still could have turned it around in one day. So you can overnight your KMK to me with a big note on the outside of the box, emergency, please rush, or something to that effect. And when I see it, I'll drop what I'm doing, tear it open, yank out the broken parts, pop in the new ones, and overnight it back to you. Now, if you send me 10 that look like this one did, I can't promise you I can get them all back to you in the same day. Normally a KMK only needs a set of running rings and maybe a spring when they come back to me, and it takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to do the refurbish. This particular one took me about an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes with all the cleaning and the extra parts. So if you send me a lot of them, and they're all really rough, and you have an emergency, I'll do my best to get as many of them back to you as I can, as fast as I can. Also, as I said, the age is not a factor, but only to a point. If you have one of the old green boxes, not to be confused with the 201, the 201s used to be green, they're black now, but we still repair the green 201s. I'm referring to the 15, the 20 millimeter, and the 30 millimeter units that have the double spring and the bearing on the one side of the reversal lever. Those we've retired, and we don't repair them anymore. So if you have one of those, you'll need to replace it with one of the stainless steel boxes. So to finish up here, I just want to let you all know these guys are built to take some abuse, and they'll run for a long time before they give up. And when they give up, aside from something like you ran it over with a truck, we can still get it going again. So if you're thinking about replacing the KMK, give us a call or an email first, and the contact info is on the screen. Let us see what we can do for you. As always, I hope you found this video helpful, and you'll hit that like and subscribe button if you did. I'm hoping to get back into the swing of releasing videos more frequently here. I've been on a bit of a hiatus, but you can always visit our website, www.cemanco.com. Link will be in the description to see our featured product or contact us with any questions or comments you might have. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.